Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Howdy! The best internet resources about how to control temperature in a charcoal smoker. These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to control temperature in a charcoal smoker is AmazingRibs.com. Specifically the page titled Using the Vents to Control Temperature on Charcoal, and this is the link. You can also try 1804711.r.msn.com, especially the page Cheap Barbecue Temp Controller Barbecue, Temp, Controller Point Best, Price.com. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see 778429.r.msn.com. The web page Smokers at Lowe's registered. Here's the link.